Hey guys, welcome to Maths with Ethan, and in this video we are going to learn how to simplify surds. So if you don't know how to simplify surds or even know what simplifying surds means, this is the right video for you. In our last video we learned how to multiply surds, and we learned that the square root of a multiplied by the square root of b equals the square root of a times b. Now in English this means that we just multiply the numbers together, right? So the square root of 3 times the square root of 2 becomes the square root of 3 times 2, so it becomes the square root of 6. Now we use this technique to simplify surds, and simplifying surds means making the numbers smaller and making the numbers real, okay? So how we do this is we find two things that multiply together to make the number in the surd, and we make sure that one of them is a square number so we can then turn it into a real number. Alright? So the square numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, blah 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 blah. Alright? They'll be up here. And these are numbers that have been squared. So when we square root them, they return to their numbers. Alright? So for example, 4 is a square number because when we square root 4, it becomes 2. Alright? 36 is a square number because when we square root it, it becomes 6. So we use these numbers to create real numbers when we are simplifying surds. Alright? So the square root of 24 we can split into the two multiples 4 and 6. So it becomes square root of 4 times the square root of 6. And then square root of 4 becomes 2. So it becomes 2 times root 6, or 2 root 6. So therefore, square root of 24 can be simplified to be 2 root 6. Another example is the square root of 32. This can be split into the numbers square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of 2, and then we can change that 16 into 4, so it becomes 4 root 2. Alright? So we've got a practice video where you can practice simplifying surds just here somewhere, and now we have simplified surds, we can go on to next week's video where we will be doing advanced multiplication of surds. So thanks very much guys, and I will see you in the next video. This has been Maths with Ethan, over and out.